Okay, so bit of a video now on filling a space I've got on my layout. So you've seen the layout in action. I've got a part of the layout that I've got a bit of a gap in that I'm struggling to know what to fill. So what I've done is I think I'm going to put a bit of a farm scene in there. So this is a video on building a kit of a farm. So this is an off-the-shelf kit made by Wills, and it is a farm cottage scene. So this is what it should look like when it's finished. So in the kit we get some plans, a bit of an instruction manual, and a lot of bits of plastic. You'll have to forgive the shadow on the thing there. That's because I'm taking it in our kitchen. It's got hundreds of spotlights in it. So we've got a plastic cellophane wrapper with loads of bits of plastic in it, containing building parts, window frames and bits and pieces. And in the other packet we've got some stone wool and some more bits of plastic for making up the cottage itself. So as you can see, there's no pre-made walls. You have a set of plans, you overlay them onto the bits of plastic, cut them out and then build it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build sections of this kit in stages and then tag it all together on one video and put it up. I may also show you, I've built a cattle dock as well, so I may show you bits and pieces of that as well. So I shall get on with starting to build it and update this as soon as possible. Okay, so here we go with the second part of the video. So just a quick update on the other bits I bought yesterday. I meant to put this on the video yesterday. So we've got some farmyard junk, which includes ladders and some wheels that you can probably see down here. We've got some wheels and some ladders, and they look like oil cans. And over here we have a barn as well. So the barn will go obviously next to the farm with farmyard junk around it. So progress so far. So we've started to build the carcass, you can see. So this is the back and this will be the front of the house. Chimney breast this side. We also have a partly assembled roof as well. So the roof will sit on there like that. Okay, so needs some trimming, but should be pretty good. So assembled roof on the inside with a little plastic triangle fillet in there to keep the strength. Similar sort of thing in the house itself as well. So you can see we've got some little 90-degree plastic fillets, and on the other side in the corners, so you can just about see them in there, there are some little fillets in there as well, just to keep the strength up. Okay, so I will probably paint this as it is before I do the windows, but I've got to make the chimney up next as well, so that'll be the next on the list. Thought I'd also show you while I'm here. So this is the cattle dock that I made as well, again from a kit. So plastic stanchions posts with wire railings going around it. It's got a little gutter in down this bit with some little down pipes and gates in there. The gates don't work, they're just there for show. But that will be on one part of the railway with some straw in there and various animals, I should imagine. Okay, so I shall carry on with the rest of the build and update as and when. Okay, we're going to move on now. We're going to start constructing the barn itself. So we've taken the bits out of the wrapper already. You can see they're all laid out in front of us. There are no instructions for this kit. So no instructions, you just got to kind of make it up as you go along. But to be honest, there's not a huge amount of sprues there. So looking at the pictures, we should be able to sort that out. So we got a sprue with the doors on, so front doors, walls over here, roof sections, so they're slightly different materials. So they're supposed to look like a wood material and the walls are a stony material, and obviously we've got our slate roofs as well. So we're going to put that one together, and then what I'll probably do is spray everything together, and then you'll be able to see it once it starts getting painted as well.